Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add your Instagram link to your Facebook profile in 2023. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to easily add your Instagram link to your Facebook profile so that your friends, family, and followers can easily find and connect with you on Instagram. So, let's get started. The first step to add your Instagram link to Facebook is to log into your Facebook account. If you are not already logged in, please enter your Facebook login details. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, navigate to your Facebook profile page by clicking on your profile picture or name. Now, click on the Edit Profile button located just below your profile picture. In the Edit Profile section, you will see various options to edit your profile information. Scroll down to the Edit Your About Info section and click on it. Then scroll down and tap on Edit button at the Contact Info section. Now, look for the Social Link section, tap on Add Social Link. Choose Instagram and enter your Instagram username or link in the given space. Once you have entered your Instagram username or link, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. To verify that your Instagram link has been added to your Facebook profile, go back to your Facebook profile page and click on the Instagram icon. This will take you directly to your Instagram profile page. Congratulations! You have successfully added your Instagram link to your Facebook profile in 2023. By following these simple steps, you can easily connect with your friends, family, and followers on Instagram through your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below.